All right, so we are back with another video. So today we will continue our lecture series that we have begun with the Khazra Fatima. So Khazra Fatima, she is my lovely student, and we both are here to learn Excel. All right, so Khazra, uh, what if I ask you that how can we open the file that we were working on? Do you remember that? From where we can open it?
We can go on file and then we will open the save as and then we will open our documents and then there will be like Khazra Fatma 6C and then we can open it.
Okay, so Khazra, the method you were telling me is partially correct that we need to go to the file menu, but from there you can see these are the recent files that we were working on. So this is the file that we were working on. All right.
Okay. Okay.
So for save as means something else. We will do that someday. So we have to click on this file, Khazra underscore student. So this is the file we were working on previously.
Okay.
Okay, so unfortunately, this file is not being opened. So let's go to the open tab and then let's click here. Okay, we could not find the file. Why? So let's browse the folder. I'm surprised why the file is not there. So we have to go to the research club. Okay, so research club is at the top, then MS Excel YouTube, and then this is our file. Okay, so sometimes,
Okay.
yeah, sometimes if the file will not open, then you have to go there where we had saved the file. All right. Uh, Today we will be learning about how to write tables. Okay. So let me rename this tab as lecture 5, lecture 5. So this is our lecture 5, and in this uh, lecture, we will learn how can we write any table because in mathematics we need tables to learn, and it takes some time to write the table on your notebook. If your teacher asks you, okay, your task is to write tables from 1 till 20, and it will take a lot of time, and we can do it in Microsoft Excel within seconds. Okay, so all we have to do is to set up all the fields like this. Okay, so for example, if nothing is here, so let's delete this and let's make it from the beginning. Okay, so usually when we write tables, for example, if we want to write the table of 2, so we will write 2. Okay, so I I do not want to write here because of that formatting. Let's write here. So if I write 2, then 2, then we have times, then 2 times 1 should be equal to 2, right? Uh,
Yes.
okay. Now, Hazra, we know that if there is a table of 2, so here we can write the heading, okay, table of 2. So for example, let me select these 3 cells and I'll click here to make them merge and center, and I will write here table of 2. Okay. Okay, so
Okay.
let's write a table of, and here we will do something else later on. Okay, so for example, if I write something over here, for example, if we write here 2, Then I want that to be visible over here. I want this to over here. So what is the address of this cell? Its address is S1. So if I write here equal to S1 and if I hit enter, that too will be here. Okay, so what if I write
Oh, that's
here?
interesting.
Yeah, if I write 3, then it will change. Okay, so
Okay.
yeah, we will copy this down till here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 10 times. Hmm, what happened? Oh, okay, okay, okay. So that formula was replicating. So I will have to press Control. Okay, I have to write S1. Okay, so we need to fix the row and column. So for that, Khazra, we need to put a dollar sign. So how can we put a dollar sign? Shift and 4. It will be fixed, and row will be fixed as well. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Now it will remain same. Hopefully. See, this is same now. Okay, now we want to copy the same, this X. So I will just copy it down. And here we want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I will please keep pressing the control button. And if I'll drag it down, it will be like this. Okay, so let's delete these two cells because we want the table to run for only 10. Okay, now we want to make some formatting. So let's do the formatting. So we want it to be like this. We want to make it in the center vertically and horizontally. Looking good now? All right, Khazra. So here we will
Yes,
have
sir.
here we will have the answer. Now we know that we want to multiply these three by 1. And the address of this cell is P2. So we want to multiply P2, and multiplication symbol is shift and 8 on your keyboard. And we want to multiply it by this number, and its address is R2. So I will write R2, R2. You can select the cell or you can write the address. So if I'll hit enter, the answer will be 3. And now we just need to replicate or copy this formula till here, and we will have the answers. 369. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So here you can see that we have three timetable. Three timetable. 3 times 1 is 3, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 4 is 12. Okay, now what if your teacher asks you to write the table of 4? So you just need to change the value here. Let's write 4, and this is 4's timetable. Isn't it interesting, Khazra?
Yes, it's very interesting and cool.
Okay, now let's revise what we have done. So first of all, we need to set up the values, and these cells should be visible on all these cells. So for that, what we done, we did equal sign, we typed equal sign, then the address of this cell, that is S1. But you need to make it fix, like you do not want to change the row number or column number when we replicate the formula. For that purpose, you need to put a dollar sign before the name of the column and before the name of the row. So that's why we have put a dollar sign, then S, then dollar sign, then 1. So we have this number. Okay, so it was done because whenever we will write something over here, it will be converted to these values as well. Then we do some calculation. We did some calculation here. We want to multiply this value by this value. So the address of this value is P2. The address of this value is R2. So we have multiplied P2 by R2. So we have written equal to, then P2, then shift and 8, then R2. So in this way, we can write any timetable. Okay.
Okay.
So that was the end of today's lecture. We will learn something new in Microsoft Excel in the next lecture. You need to take care of yourself. Bye bye.